No matter what you say, Samsung and Apple will always be toe-to-toe competitors, and for Android users, Samsung has its own flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S series. As Apple is about to launch its upcoming iPad series, including the Pro variant, Samsung should gear up to increase its tablet lineup with the best user experience. Yes, we're talking about the Galaxy Tab S9 series. Anyway, we have gathered some information about it which we're going to share with you today. So, let's jump in. For devices like smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches, there are always some rumors available, because in the age of the internet, you cannot hide everything. If there aren't any rumors, you have to assume the product is probably delayed or cancelled. Similarly, the Galaxy Tab S9 series is missing from the leak ecosystem, which indicates that it might not launch early next year. Nonetheless, Samsung always manages to release its premium tablet every year, so if it's not coming early next year, then it might come at the end of next year. Okay, to clear up your confusion, a report from the ELEX said that Samsung Electronics has delayed the Galaxy Tab S9 series development to 2023 due to the recent global economic uncertainty. They also mentioned the demand for IT products is slowing down, which is also another reason for delaying the Tab S9 series production. Usually, the Galaxy Tab S series gets released with the Galaxy S series smartphone, but this time, there's a high chance the Tab S9 series might get unveiled with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 in August 2023. So, let's talk about what we expect from this upcoming Android tablet. Design-wise, it might not get any changes except the notch. For many years, Samsung was mocking Apple for its notch design, but they ended up using it on their flagship tablet, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So this time, Samsung is expected to get rid of it and adopt something like the Dynamic Island. In terms of performance, Samsung might include Qualcomm's next generation 3nm chipset Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in the Galaxy Tab S9 series. As rumors suggest, Apple is planning to equip the M2 chipset in their upcoming iPad Pro, so Samsung needs something powerful to beat the supremacy of the M2 performance. In that case, Samsung just might have a hard time doing that. With a 48-megapixel camera, Apple introduces a new era for the iPhone fans. They've been providing the latest camera tech on their iPads as well, so to compete with the upcoming iPad, Samsung really needs to come up with this latest camera system. In short, report-wise, we might not see the upcoming Galaxy Tab S9 series anytime soon. It might come at the end of next year with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, which is uncertain. Also, this upcoming tablet might boast Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to compete with Apple's M2 chipset. So, that was all from us. What's your opinion on this? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section down below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.